Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. On Saturday, 9 September, the young people of the Salesian Youth Movement who took part in the Camps for Leaders and in the World Youth Day 2023 this summer gathered at College Don Bosco to share a day together before school activities started up again. Accompanied and guided by their leaders, the 650 or so young people present, divided into age groups, resumed the formation topics addressed during the camps, alternating moments of reflection and sharing, and following the theme of Don Bosco's childhood dream, which celebrates its 200th anniversary in 2024. During the day, there were activities, games, lunch together, and in the afternoon, the perpetual profession of Sister Sara Perini, FMA, inside the Basilica. On 9 September, the Salesians of the Columbia Bogota COP province celebrated the Feast of Gratitude around the provincial Father John Gairo Gomez Rua, at the same time celebrating the 120th anniversary of Salesian presence in Mosquera and the anniversaries of religious and priestly life of some Salesians. The day included the Eucharist presided over by the provincial, some cultural moments rich in Salesian charism, and a concert by the Salesian symphonic bands in Mosquera. Through all this, tribute was paid to Father Jose Francisco Bernal Lopez for his 50 years of priestly ordination, Father Luis Mauricio Cuadros Aponte for his 25 years of religious profession, Father Vaclav Kopil for his 100 years of life, the Salesian presence in Mosquera for its 120 years, the Sant Juan Bosco Industrial Technical Institute for its 60 years, and also the Sisters of the Institute of the Sacred Heart of Jesus and Mary for the centenary of the death of their founder, Blessed Father Luigi Vieira. In a touching demonstration of solidarity and empathy, on 10 September, students from the Salesian Higher Institute of Arts and Sciences, the National Service Scheme and various academic departments took part in a 3-kilometer marathon to raise awareness and prevent suicide. The sporting event took place in the picturesque Besant Nagar and saw the participation of many students who wanted to display a banner with the slogan, "Create Hope Through Action." The well-known actor Siddharth also participated in the marathon, highlighting the importance of mental health and the profound impact it can have on supporting those in need. Also present was Dr. Radha Krishnan, Commissioner of the Greater Chennai Corporation, who launched a strong message on the fundamental role of the community in the prevention of suicide. Father Jayaraj, Director of Nirai Vagam Don Bosco Institute of Psychological Services, Father Ravi, Assistant to the Director, and Brother Peter offered all their support and dedication for the success of the marathon. "We have prepared a palace for you in Turin," Blessed Don Philip Rinaldi, the third successor of Don Bosco, told the young Salesian theology students in Fortaleza, Canavis. It was on 8 September 1923, the feast of the Nativity of the Blessed Virgin Mary, when the Salesian Theological Studentate located in Via Caboto 27 in Turin, called La Crosetta, was canonically erected, named for the neighborhood in which it stood. 4 days later, on 12 September, the first students arrived. That is why the work is proudly celebrating its first 100 years of life in these days. The neighborhood at the time was in a semi-peripheral position and this allowed the establishment of a vast and welcoming complex where hundreds of Salesians and young people would be formed, from Father Edmundo Vecchi, 8th successor of Don Bosco, to cardinals such as Joseph Zen and Tarcisio Bertont, from university rectors to superiors of Salesian provinces, and including many missionaries and simple sons of Don Bosco dedicated to serving young people in every corner of the world. Don Bosco strongly believed in the importance of involving young individuals into activities that allowed them to enjoy their life to the fullest. Given that young people possess tremendous energy and zeal, they require an outlet to positively channel all that enthusiasm. This year's Os Bosco witnessed a massive participation of over 50 young individuals in Don Bosco camp in Dromana from various Salesian schools, Dominic College in Tasmania, Salesian College in Sunbury, and St. Joseph College in Furthreen Gully, Salesian leaders, teachers, Don Bosco Youth Center and Hostel in Brunswick, Don Bosco Camp Safety Beach, past pupils, laity, friends, FMA sisters, and Salesian conference from Clifton Hill Community and Leicesterfield. The 3-day event was packed with various activities such as fun games, workshops, outdoor adventures, and opportunities for prayer and reflection, which enable young people to stay connected with their faith and spiritual growth, establish meaningful connections, and find a deeper sense of purpose in their lives. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.